Hello everyone! I'm back with another video. Today, I'm sharing an old feature that many beginners might not know about, the Prettier extension in VsCode. Basically, you might think, how is Prettier code looking beautiful and maintained well? Basically, it's a code formatter in VsCode that makes your code look clean and professional without any extra effort. Formatting code manually can be a hassle, especially for beginners. So you can focus on coding, not on style. Let me tell you how to install the extension. Go to your extension in your VsCode and search for Prettier. Now click on the first extension shown. I already installed it, so I won't be installing it again. You can go ahead and click Install, and you're good to go. After enabling the extension feature, it formats your code every time you hit save. To auto-save, you can watch my previous video, mentioned in the description below. If you're just starting out, give it a try and see how much easier coding can be. And comment down the topic for next video. See you until next time.